Hello, welcome to Crewe Audi. Today we have the Audi SQ5 finished in Sepang Blue. The car has the xenon headlights with the daytime running LEDs, the front headlight washer jets with the low front fog lights with the front and rear parking sensors. At the side of the vehicle we have the 20-inch twin-spoke design alloy wheels, with the chrome on the mirror housing and also the surrounds of the windows, with the privacy glass from the B-pillar backwards, with a full power tailgate, LED backlights with the reverse camera and the quad chrome exhaust. Now this is an Audi used approved vehicle, so you will get the 145-point check, a minimum of 1 year's warranty and a minimum of 1 year's roadside assistance. Moving to the front of the vehicle, the car has the red Alcantara suede on the inside of the door cards with the electronic folding exterior mirrors, the half red and half black fine Nappa leather front sports seats with the SQ5 embossed logo, 3-spoke leather multifunctional steering wheel with the red stitching with cruise control, automatic headlights and wipers. Technology package including the navigation maps with front heated seats with dual climate control, a tiptronic automatic gearbox with the electronic handbrake. Now if you'd like any more information on this Audi SQ5, if you'd like to contact us here at Crewe Audi on 01270 50 70 70. Thank you for watching.